On Wednesday, September 29th at approximately 6:50 a.m., the Orland Park Police Department was notified by Payless Community Hospital that a woman known as Anita Kustok of 10932 Royal Oak Lane in Orland Park had been brought to Payless Community Hospital by her husband, suffering from a gunshot wound in her left cheek. She was pronounced dead upon examination by medical staff at Payless Community Hospital. Her husband, Allan Kustok, after being examined by medical staff at Payless Community Hospital, was released to investigators of the Orland Park Police Department. Mr. Kustok accompanied investigators back to the Orland Park Police Department, where he gave a voluntary video statement detailing how he believed his wife shot herself in the face while they were sleeping together in the master bedroom of their home that morning, and how, after hearing the single shot, he awoke to find his wife laying on her back next to him with her arms crossed on her chest and a .357 revolver in her right hand. On September 30th of 2010, the Cook County Medical Examiner's Office conducted an autopsy and concluded that the incident was a homicide, based upon their opinion that the gunshot wound could not have been self-inflicted to her left cheek accidentally or otherwise. The Orland Park Police Department would like to thank the South Suburban Major Crimes Task Force for their leadership, expertise, and assistance in this matter, and Mr. Troy and his office of the Cook County State's Attorney's Office for all their legal assistance and guidance in this matter. At this point, I'll turn the podium over to Mr. Troy, who will be available for questions.
Mr. Troy, I'm sorry, can you spell your first and last? Okay.
Mr. Troy, maybe it's because I've watched a lot of Law and Order over the years, but someone who goes and kills himself, allegedly, have a handgun, and as he said in court today, fired from close range. It'd be pretty difficult, would it not be, for the gun to lay there conveniently in a person's hands with their arms crossed thereafter?
We found, you must keep in mind that some of the facts that have been related to us were narrated to the Orland Park Police Department Investigative Bureau, as well as the South Suburban Major Crime Task Force investigator, by the charged defendant himself. So I found it striking that, according to him, she was lying on her back with her arms crossed, and a weapon of significant power and weight was still in her right hand.
Can you tell us the caliber of the gun?
It's a .357.
Here. Do we have any motive? Why would he kill her if that is the case?
In Illinois, we do not have to prove motive, but we are continuing to investigate all of the circumstances surrounding the domestic relations of the defendant and his late wife.
Can you elaborate on any of those circumstances?
No.
Is there orders of protection, or has Orland Park Police been called to the 140 times?
I'm not aware of any. I don't believe so.
The kids, young adults, Sarah and Zach, have they been cooperative? You know, can they talk to their father at all?
It's my understanding they've been cooperative as to, in all ways, requested by the investigators.
What did he come to the hospital looking like? I mean, was there blood on him?
I was not there.
What have your investigators told you? Did everyone look clean other than her? I mean, did he?
Clean is a relative term, I do not.
Sorry.
Chief, maybe can you talk to that? Can the defendant say what he said when he came to the hospital?
His physical.
If you want the microphone. Yeah, just.
Yeah, what did he look like? John, would you answer that question, please?
Okay. And if you will say his first last name to do it.
Commander John Keating, K-E-A-T-I-N-G.
So can you just tell us what Mr. Kustok appeared to be like to investigators at the hospital?
To the investigators, when our officer arrived at the hospital after receiving the call, he was in the examining the emergency room. So there was no outward signs of injury. He was emotional.